Why don't you let her drive? Why don't you let her drive around the neighborhood? See if she crashes into anything.
I wouldn't crash.
Wait, don't hold it the wrong way.
Have you ever tried to drive his car?
No.
It crashes by itself. That turned me on. Ah. Let me in! Let me in! Woohoo!
It's not like my door.
She loves me more.
2 inch. It's like block my door.
I'm gonna strip.
Okay.
And they're still gonna videotape us.
No, never mind.
Trying to get Jamie naked. But the clothes still somehow remain on.
Hey, put this in there.
Here, Chew, you wanna wear my skirt?
I'd love to. But I might break it because I'm fat. Why are you changing?
Cause it's cold out.
Oh.
She's smarter than us people. And
But great, I have shorts, don't I? What kind of perfume do you use?
You really wanna know?
Yeah.
It's called Flirtatious.
Flirtatious?
It doesn't have a name. It's just called Flirtatious.
You hit me in the nose.
So you want us to kiss?
Need some romantic music?
No. Or maybe we do.
No. She's nothing about romance.
I've never kissed in front of a camera before.
I feel bad mocking you now.
Batteries?
What?
Batteries?
Oh, give me that.
I mean, cool that plugged into my CD player. Even my freaking.
Yeah, you don't need 3 of those.
No, even my laptop battery's died. Do you want to listen to this channel, James?
No.
Sure.
Or do you want to listen to different ones?
How come in my house she's all about no, 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 I don't know.
Okay,
Now she's
yeah.
all about yeah, yeah.
Why?
sure.
Stuck inside my laptop.
How's it?
There's
Oh.
more KMFDM here.
Oh, good.
Give me symbols. It's the one with the grenade. When I say grenade, bomb.
Okay, I'm like, I have a bomb. You said the bomb. Are you
We
changing
go
over
to
there?
number 7.
Oh, God.
And the N for 9.
It's going where the KMFDM CD was.
Whoever invented this stupid hold button, it's really pissing me off.
I can go through a pack a day.
When did you start smoking?
When I was 12 years old.
Why?
I don't remember why.
Why don't you stop?
It's very hard to try to quit when all of your friends, like, smoke.
Why don't you why are you smoking now? His mom smokes though.
This guy's cool.
Did you ever smoke cigars?
Yeah, he's the boss.
Yep.
How about pot?
No.
How about crack?
Hey, baby!
Guess what crime in the last 4 years doubled for women?
Sexual harassment?
Indecent exposure.
Now you can try out shooting music.
Step on the gas, step on the gas.
Well, that shut him up.
I love this song.
Sing it for us.
Not recording, you ruined the video. Ready to go to the song.
Keep that open. Oldsmobiles.
Why are you irking her on here? Hey, that's what you paid for. Oh, Pittsburgh. How I love the city. Most beautiful thing in the world. Come on, you gotta go. I love Pittsburgh. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, shoot.
What?
CDs.
Sure, I got a new way to get down to the south side. This one's even scarier than the other one. Really? This is my house.
That's not your house.
Alright, this is gonna be my house. As soon as I
Hey,
sell
Matt.
The garbage can?
Tell me this.
Yes. Really this. Where am I get all my money? Yeah, I have no idea.
I can call it, man. Keep on calling. I don't know where your came up to guess. I'm just going to put it in the spot here.
People wonder why you never
Do I have anything on my pants?
No, but you have a really nice ass.
Thanks!
You're not like most people. They're like, is there anything on my butt? And then I say, yeah, your pants. I didn't get to use that. Ah! Oh, now I know how I'm gonna die. Can't even wave.
They flipped you off!
Did they?
Yes!
Oh, cool. I flipped them off.